We'll guide you through how to edit videos in DaVinci Resolve editing software. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once the software is running, you need to start a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Name your project and hit Create. You'll be directed to the main interface. Next, go to the Media tab at the bottom of the screen to import your video files. You can drag and drop your files into the media pool, or use the Import Media button to navigate and select your files. Once your media is imported, switch to the Edit tab. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a timeline at the bottom. Drag your video clips from the media pool down to the timeline to start arranging them. If you want to trim your clips, simply select the clip in the timeline and use the razor tool from the toolbar above the timeline to cut the clip at the desired point. You can then delete the unnecessary parts by selecting and pressing the Delete key. To add transitions between clips, go to the Effects library on the top left, select Video Transitions, and drag your chosen transition onto the cut between your clips. To adjust colors, go to the Color tab. Here, you can tweak the exposure, contrast, and saturation using the color wheels and sliders. For adding text, go back to the Edit tab, click on Effects Library, choose Titles, and drag a text template onto your timeline. Double-click the text clip in the timeline, and you can customize the font, size, and text content in the Inspector panel on the right. Finally, when you're happy with your edits, go to the Deliver tab to export your video. Choose the format and resolution you need, set your output location, and click Add to Render Queue. Then, hit Render All to export your finished video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.